You are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe it is the only reason you do not see it. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the route that your imagination will take you. Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Feeling is the secret. If you judge after appearances, you will continue to be enslaved by the evidence of your senses. Man is all imagination. Therefore, man must be where he is in imagination, for his imagination is God. Your world is your consciousness objectify. Nothing comes from without. All things come from within, from the subconscious. Live your life in a sublime state of wonder. To desire a state is to have it. The world is a mirror, forever reflecting what you are doing within yourself. Be careful of your moods and feelings, for there is an unbroken connection between your feelings and your visible world. All transformation begins with an intense burning desire to be transformed. There is no one to change but self. Stop trying to change the world, since it is only the mirror. Disregard appearances, conditions, in fact, all evidence of your senses that deny the fulfillment of your desire. You must be willing to be alone to truly manifest greatness. Imagination creates reality. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you become. Imagination is the only redemptive power in the universe. Believe in the reality of your wish fulfilled. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and maintain that assumption. The outer world and all of its events, circumstances, and conditions is but a shadow reflecting what is taking place within. Persist in the assumption that your desire is already fulfilled. You cannot serve to masters or opposing states of consciousness. Your concept of yourself is what you draw to you. To change your life, you must begin by changing your thoughts. You are free to choose the state of consciousness you will enter. Nothing is impossible to imagine. What you continually affirmed, you become. I am the beginning and the end of all things in my life. Dare to believe in the reality of your assumption and watch the world play its part in helping you fulfill it. Think feelingly only of the state you desire to realize. Everything in the world is a manifestation of the mental activity that goes on within your own mind. Consciousness is the only reality. You are the creator of your world. All you can possibly need or desire is already yours. You need no helper to give it to you. It is yours now. Man moves in a world that is nothing more or less than his consciousness objectify. All that you could ever desire is already present in your world. Your world is yourself pushed out. Do not accept as true of others what you would not want true of you. You attract what you believe you are worthy of. The difference between feeling yourself in action, here and now, and visualizing yourself in action, as though you were on a motion picture screen, is the difference between success and failure. Nothing ever happens to you that you did not set in motion in your imagination. There is no fiction. If something can be imagined, it can be realized. The real test of faith is whether you can believe in the unseen and remain loyal to your desire. Faith is loyalty to the unseen reality. We become what we imagine. Imagining creates reality. What are you imagining? What you are conscious of being, you are. The law operates by faith. If you believe, no effort is necessary to see the fulfillment of every desire. To be conscious of being rich is to be rich. Claim it now. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Everything depends upon our attitude toward ourselves. That which we will not affirm as true of ourselves cannot develop in our life. When you know what you want, you don't have to ask anyone's permission to get it. Your imagination is your most powerful asset. Creation is finished. It's only a question of recognizing the gifts you've already been given. The only thing standing between you and the realization of your dreams is the story you keep telling yourself. Live as though it were true, and it will become true. The key to all transformation is the awareness of your assumptions. The world is a reflection of your inner state of being. Whatever you desire, believe you have received it, and you will. What you believe yourself to be, you are. You are not a victim of circumstances. You are the architect of your life. Faith is seeing the invisible and believing in the impossible. Man must dare to assume the reality of the fulfilled desire. You are limited only by your ability to imagine. The world is a stage, and you are the main actor in the play of your own creation. The creative power in man is his imagination. Dream lofty dreams, for as you dream, so shall you become.